Hello, friends. Hope you are doing great. In today's lesson, we are going to revise. Conversation is about apologizing. So let's get it started. I'm sorry, I missed our yesterday's meeting. No problem. It's quite normal. Things crop up at the nick of time. Is everything all right? Yes, I just completely lost track of time. Rest assured, it won't happen again. I appreciate your apology. Tell me the reason distracting your attention. I was rather focused on an urgent project, but that's not an excuse I maintain. I understand. How about if we can reschedule for the next week? That would be great. Thank you for your mindfulness. No problem. We all have off days sometimes. Now is the time to move forward. Thanks for your cooperation. Anytime. Bye, Jim. Bye, Tina. The next conversation is about accepting apology. I wish to express my apologies for getting your birthday. Could you please forgive me? Of course. Don't worry about it. Are you sure? I know how much you value celebrating birthdays. It's fine. I do appreciate you acknowledging it. As a token of goodwill gesture, I'm arranging dinner this weekend. How about joining? Sounds great. I'd love to join. Excellent. Is there any particular place you'd like to go? How about that new Spanish place downtown? I have been longing to give it a try. You got it. Catch you there, Jim. Bye, Tina. So let's move to the next one about giving advice. I'm experiencing trouble sleeping lately. Do you have any valuable piece of advice? Have you tried establishing a set bedtime routine? Not really. What kind of routine you think I should opt for? Try going to bed at the same time each night. Should strictly avoid and shut out any sort of illusions. Avoid using cell phones or watching TV before hitting the bed. That makes sense. Any other tips you deem appropriate? Avoid caffeine in the evening. Try some relaxation techniques. And one more important thing, take half a glass of lukewarm milk, add 2 spoons of honey, and relax. In case you continue this practice regularly, you'll see the result pretty shortly. Those are perfect ideas. Do you think I should consult a doctor if it persists? In case it persists for more than a few weeks, you should consult a professional. One more thing, should strictly avoid sedatives. Thanks, Jim, for your time and advice. You're always welcome. Bye, Jim. Bye, Linda.